Hello everyone, welcome to Bilal's vlog. Please don't forget to like and subscribe his channel. And today he's going back to Pakistan. We are going to London Heathrow, and as you can see, the weather is extremely cold. It's raining. It's not a good weather. Let's just open this window. Look at this. But it's Bilal's first time to experience this. So Bilal, can you tell me what's your experience about this?
It was wonderful, and I liked very much this weather. I love to live here in London. If you are going to live a life and it's like a paradise heaven, so I will recommend sell your all assets and come to UK and stay here.
That's
and this Mr. Azim, he's my brother. We enjoyed a lot. He's driving here like a Saudi national.
Thank you very much. That's really appreciated, and it was really nice to spend good quality time with you, brother.
Thank you.
So next time you'll come, hopefully, inshallah,
my brother Hassan,
we'll go on to a tour.
My brother Hassan behind. Tell about Hassan, Azim. Yes, Hassan.
And my brother-in-law Hassan, he's also here, and he's also going with Bilal to Heathrow Airport. And Hassan, anything from yourself?
No, not really.
I'm
emotional.
Did you enjoy?
I can't say bye to anyone.
And also we met
I'm
after 5
always
years.
saying welcome to everyone, but I don't have capacity to say bye to everyone.
Okay, we met after 5 years gap. Tell him, Azim, tell the audience. I met Hassan after 6 years gap, because we are childhood friends, and we spent times in Middle East. Then Hassan came to UK, and now after 6 years I came to visit Hassan and Azim.
Yeah.